Hello everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today with this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to install TradingView application for the Windows. So for that, you will need to open a Google Chrome or any other browser that you have been currently using in your laptop or in your PC. Click open that browser and click open New tab. There on the search bar, you need to type in tradingview.com/desktop and press enter. It will direct you to the official web page over here. TradingView is a place where traders, investors, educators can connect to share ideas and talk about the market. TradingView provides latest stock, future, index, forex, and Bitcoin data in a useful format that works on any devices. So for you to download this app on your Windows, you need to scroll down and you will have the option of download for Windows over here. Click that. With this, the TradingView setup file will be downloaded. Once the downloading process is completed, you click on the upward menu and click on Open. Now here you will need to install the TradingView application. Click on Install. Wait for the installation process to be completed. With that, the installation process is completed, and with that, you have successfully downloaded and installed the TradingView application for your Windows. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.